Hello folks, do you drive something like this with a dash issue? Well, stay tuned. So does your dash have this, or this, or this? Well, we're here to help you with this. Our Coverlay 18207S dash cover. Our dash covers are really easy to install. Our first step is that we test fit the dash cover. Coverlay also offers an option for an airbag cover. If you plan on using it, test fit it as well. Make sure the cover fits snugly and lines up very close to the original. Now we'll clean the back of the dashboard cover with an ammonia-based cleaner such as Windex. Clean the airbag cover also if you plan to use it. Apply the silicone adhesive as you see here. We apply a small bead of silicone around the edge and around any opening. If the silicone is hard to squeeze out, put it in a cup of warm water to heat it up. We also need to clean the dashboard with an ammonia-based cleaner such as Windex. On this truck we took our silicone adhesive and we put some on the existing cracks to cut down on any rattling once we install our dash cover. Now we will install the dash cover onto the dashboard. A helper might be useful for this. Press down on the dashboard cover, making sure you press into the corners and on the edges. Once we install the cover firmly in place, now we'll put some weighted objects on it, such as sandbags or reams of paper, to help hold it down while it cures. Also, if you are installing the airbag cover, you would silicone it on the same as the dash cover before this step. Now we will take some painter's tape or masking tape and tape the dash cover down to the dashboard. After about 8 hours, remove the weighted objects and the tape and enjoy your new dash cover. Thanks for watching. Follow us on our social media channels and our website.